Hello, and welcome to Unit 5, Creating Accessible Videos. To get things rolling, I'm going to start with a little scene that replayed many times over the years that I worked as a student worker at OSU's eCampus. At eCampus, transcribing was the dreaded, never-ending task that student workers were given when we finished all of our other work. New student workers would turn to me with shiny, eager expressions and say, "It'll be fun, I like learning, and this is like being paid to learn." And then, as the days wore on, I watched the joy in life drain from their faces as they learned what transcribing actually involved. Which is a lot of listening, pausing, and re-listening to lectures as you attempt to record what an instructor is saying, verbal tics, false starts, and idiosyncrasies included. At WOU, we do not have a small army of student workers to transcribe exactly what instructors say, but transcripts are still an incredibly important part of accessibility. Why? Well, for one, transcripts provide a written copy of a lecture, which is sometimes easier to understand than spoken words, even for the most orally agile student. Students can also print the documents to have with them even when they are offline and can highlight and annotate them as they see fit. Finally, and possibly most importantly, the transcript can become high quality and accurate captions on a video, something YouTube is not very skilled at. Something I can recommend is that you script your lectures ahead of time. This will make creating a transcript much easier, and it will also likely help you cut down on some of the filler words, such as like, anyway, and so on. I once transcribed a 5-minute lecture that contained a total of 84 ums. Don't be that person. It's not that you have to write out every single word that you say, especially if it will lead to an overly formal or robot-like performance, but consider at least writing out a detailed outline to work with. At any rate, this unit is all about transcripts and captioning. Stay tuned for a little screencast tutorial on how to use your own transcript with YouTube's captioning feature.